Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my home office and I'm here for day number 6 of our 10-day declutter, our clutter clearing challenge I should say. I'm afraid I have to talk a little softly because we have some other things going on in other parts of the house, but I just wanted to get on here and tell you what I'm going to be working on today. So day 6 is talking about your home office, and in Denise Lynn's directions she mentions that the energy of this space represents your abundance, career, and opportunity and productivity. So a couple of the questions she mentions are things like, is my career moving in the direction I want it to go? Do I feel creatively fulfilled by my work? And a few others. And as usual, she talks about closing your eyes, relaxing in the space, and focusing on your intention for the space, and then using that to choose what is the most important area to work on. And again, choose 10 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour to work, but whatever you choose, spend half the time for decluttering and the other half for putting things away. So I have 5 minutes on my timer. And while you can see my desk back here is a little bit of organized chaos, it's working sort of. There is definitely room for improvement, and I'm unfortunately very good at finding new hidey holes to put things. But on the left and the right side of this desk there are 2 filing cabinets down below. So what I'm going to work on is just the top drawer on the left hand side, which is where I tend to store most of my things or the files that I'm using. I think I'm using most often. I'm finding that I'm not using them as much as I thought. So that is why we're going to work there. And what I'm going to do, since it's a lot of personal paper, is turn my timer on for 5 minutes. I'm going to go through everything, and once I know all personal information is tucked away, then I'll come back on and check back in with you. So let's see what we can get done in 5 minutes. Be right back. Okay, so I am back. It took me about 20 minutes, but I was able to declutter this much paper, which is awesome, and all of these file folders, so that made a lot more room in my drawer, which meant some of my books and things that I was storing up here that were a little too big for the shelf could actually get stored down below. And of course I found a few little cute memories, and one of them was this of my daughter and I back, oh gosh, when was that? She would have been, when was this? I think she was 2, so anyway, that was just taken in our little local newspaper way back then. So thanks for joining me today. I hope you were able to get some decluttering done, and I will see you tomorrow for the next space. Have a good one. Bye-bye.